Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, skeptics are predicting an early end to Rebel Salute Night 2. However, the Tony Rebel-led festival's impressive lineup featuring some of the top dancehall and reggae acts was enough to keep patrons grounded. The 27th staging of the festival saw a massive turnout at Grizzly's Plantation Cove in St. Ann for the final night of the event despite the poor weather. Night 2 featured Moses Davis, Richie Spice, George Nooks, Queen Ifrica, Mortimer, I-Octane, Jesse Royal, I-Wayne, Louis Culture, Lady G, Mikey Spice, among a slew of others.
Third time on Rebel Salute stage is always a pleasure to see the Rebel Salute audience. You know what I mean? Yeah, we definitely love to see so much people are gather in the name of righteousness and upfulness, you know what I mean? Absolutely no negative energy, you know what I mean? So go on, do the good thing, you know what I mean?
Current affairs, and the only thing about Queen Ifrica that is, I'm always proactive. I'm ahead of the thing at all times, because the songs I did tonight were songs that were done before this hotness where you see are going in domestic violence. So they can now factor in, and guess what? It's a positive approach to dealing with the ills. You know what I mean? Yeah. Ready, we gon' conquer anything with confidence. I'm a lion, yes, goddess, you know, bitch. The universal woman represent. I am real fire, not tired. Lion is a holy on, holy on. Yes, I hold my eyes off my righteous.
Rebel Salute is one of the show them that we as artists in Jamaica, we need to consider doing it. You know, work out the deal with Tony and do the show, because it's the only reggae show in Jamaica. Just like when you're in Europe, you have to do some fest, and if you don't make some fest, and you know, make Rebel Salute, that means, you know what I mean? Because remember the show, them Sting is not there, Team Slash is not there anymore. You know, a lot of big shows that used to keep that you could have missed a show and still make it up on another show.
The show closed with a well-received set by Anthony B and the unexpected addition of Chronic Law. Their performances were enough for fans to brave the rain. Rebel Salute started as a birthday party for Tony Rebel over 2 decades ago and has grown into Jamaica's biggest festival this time of the year. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.